Good morning, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. I've done a whole week. Sorry, I'm in my spinny chair and I always have to spin around. I've been up since 5:30. It's now 7:20, so I'm just getting ready to do my live painting. This morning I'm going to paint some pine trees in a snowy scene, whatever. It's still a bit cold. I've put the heating on down here, but it's not as cold as it has been, so that's nice. So, yeah, I'll see you in my live, or see you later when I've finished it. Bye for now. Oh, it's cold in my eBay room. This is where I keep my eBay stock. I've got a few sales going out. Look at these buttons, really pretty. A fork, toasting fork. A nice pottery candlestick. I really like that. Oh, did I keep it actually? A little Wedgwood trinket pot. These cute mice. And they're cute. What else? Oh, I'll fold this up. Not that. I've got a Muddy Fox cycling top. A pair of Moschino shoes. Emporio Marni, not Moschino. A Lily and Me dress. I don't wear anymore. Yeah, don't like it. Okay. And then I've got some curtains and things as well, but they're upstairs. Whoa, it's cold in here. Well, I've packed all my parcels. There's a load of velvet curtains in there, like huge boxes, and they're really heavy, and I'm not sure how I'm going to get them to the post office, to be honest. I have to go in and out about 4 times, I think. Anyway, that's that done. Thank goodness. Hi, this doesn't know where to look at this. It's just really, do I look here? I want to look up here for some reason, but it's not, it's down there. That's one of those days I feel like everything I'm doing is going wrong, and I don't know, one of those days where you just can't catch up with anything. You've got all this stuff you want to do, and I don't know. Well, I've done quite a bit, I suppose. It's just that my computer's just keeps turning off. This one in here just goes really slow, and it's just like, and I sit here cold. I'm fed up being cold. I'm having I'm being fed up there. It was all right earlier when I was packing things, and I'm having a moan today. It's one of those moany old days, and I don't know. This is going to be a really boring blog. I'm having to reprint my parcel labels because I forgot to put the weight on them. So the woman at the post office said that they couldn't be sent. So I've had to come back and avoid the labels and then try and pay for them again, and eBay wouldn't let me pay for them again. So I've done it through Hermes, and it's cheaper, which is one good thing, and they're going to come and pick it up as well, so I don't have to go back to the post office. But yeah, I think maybe I'm just tired. Yeah, and you're just like, It started to rain again. Yeah, it's pouring. It's been quite a nice day, and it's raining. I've just lit the fire, so sorry. Just like take you for a walk. I just going to go and check the fire because it was a bit smoky. No, it seems to be going. It seems to be going okay. I can't flip. Sorry, I can't flip this over, but the fire. There you go. It's a light. And there's still water. My ceiling's still wet. But I'm trying to dry it out with the putting the fire on. There's no radiator in here. It's just a bit annoying. It gets a bit cold. So I put the fire on to warm it up. Oh. It's one of those days. It's just one of those days. Oh, I've been up since 5:30 as well. Maybe that's it. What's the time now? Let me just take you for a walk because I don't know what the time is and I haven't got my glasses on. Whether I have, they're on my head. Alexa, what's the time?
It's 3:45 p.m.
There you go. It's only 3:45. Oh, I'll get a text message in a minute to go and pick up my kids. Well, my son and his girlfriend. Oh, they've been pantoing today. So, yeah. I've just come to have a moan, really. Oh, it's just like... Oh, I'm going to shut up now. Look on the positive side. Try and look for positive things. Yeah. I've done lots today. I have. So I'm going to put my hand over the thing. I have done lots. Yeah, I'm having one of those days where however much stuff you do or you just don't feel like you can catch up with everything. Maybe I'm just having one of those weeks. Maybe I've given myself too much to do in 1 week. That's the trouble working for yourself and relying on yourself for money. You feel like you have to keep working all the time. Oh, anyway. What's something in my eye? There. I'm going to stop moaning now. If I put my glasses on, I can see better. Oh, finally, my label's ready to print. I only took like 10 minutes just to download a label. There's something wrong with my other computer. Okay, I will see you later. I don't know, I'll probably... It's going to be a boring vlog today, I tell thee. Bye. Actually, not raining outside and it's warmer and it's nicer and it's brighter. Look, there's even a bit of, well, can you call that sunshine? I don't know. I'm not sure what that is. There's my Buddha and my plants. I've got lots of plants. Maybe I should show you my plants. Save that for another one. This annoys me too. People parking their car in my driveway. Like, why? How annoying. I'm chilling, listening to some music. That is Cyril. Yeah. Chilling with some wine. It's been one of those days.